Okay, so I'm laying here watching the iPad, and this little turd just touched the cord on the ceiling fan. And he's gonna try again, I think. Let's see. Ooh, he almost got it. He is getting so good. He's getting so big at jumping. Can you get it? Oh, that was not a very good jump. Let's see. Oh, he got it! He got it! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's a little bit scary. Sorry it's so dark in here. I have darkening shades on. I think he's getting tired. I have to record it this way because of it's so high. Can you get it? Or are you done? Ryder, how cute are you? Who's the cutest boy? You're getting so big. I know, but you don't need to get that. Yep, that's it. He's gone.